Here we are given the following problem. So what is the cube root of p over q if p is equal to 1 times 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4 times 8 plus 3 times 6 times 12 and all the way up to 2014 times 4028 times 8056. And we are also given q as 1 times 3 times 9 plus 2 times 6 times 18 plus 3 times 9 times 27 all the way up to 2014 times 6042 times 18126. So by looking at this, we need to analyze this problem, and we already have what p is. So let's take a closer look at p. So let's rewrite p actually. So we're looking to find what is common among each term in p. So we will actually write back what was given for the first term. Now 1 is a common factor of all the terms being multiplied in the first term, or all the numbers being multiplied in the first term. Now for the second term, we see that 2 is a common factor, so we could say that 2 times 1 is being multiplied by 2 times 2, which is being multiplied by 2 times 4. And this would be the same order being repeated. So now this is 3 times 1 being multiplied by 3 times 2 being multiplied by 3 times 4. So if we look closely, we could see that 1, 2, 4 is common among all of these terms. So let me write the final term here. And this goes all the way up to 2014, which is being multiplied by 1, which is also being multiplied by 2, and also being multiplied by 3. Well, actually 4 rather. So this is the analysis of p. Now we could actually simplify this. Seeing that 1 times 2 times 4 is common among all of these terms, we could simply factor out 1 times 2 times 4, and that would give us a value of 8. So let's factor out 8 for a bit. So now we're left with 1. When we factor 8 out of the second term, we're left with 2 times 2 times 2, which is just 2 cubed. So we could actually write 1 as 1 cubed because 1 cubed is simply 1. So this would be 2 cubed plus 3 cubed and all the way up to 2014 cubed. Okay, great. So we could actually do the same for q and analyze what those terms would be. Now, it would follow the same process. 1 would be a common factor of the first term, 2 would be a common factor of the second term, 3, and so on. However, we need to find what is common among all the terms, and by closer inspection, we could see that 27 is common. So this could be 27 1 cubed plus 2 cubed and all the way up to 2014 cubed. All right, so now that we've identified all of this, we could say that when we are rewriting this in our final equation or final solution, we could say that the cube root of p over q. Now let's actually put p over q and see what we would get. So if we should put p over q, or let's actually rewrite and put p over q. So if we're rewriting this, p over q would simply be 8 over 27. Because all of this in the brackets would actually cancel out each other. So if p over q is 8 over 27, that means the cube root of p over q is actually the cube root of 8 over 27. And as we can see, those are cubic numbers. So our final answer would be 2 cubed is 8 over 3 cubed, which is 27. So this would be our solution to this problem. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please ensure that you leave a like and comment below if you're new. And also a sub to the channel would be great. So thank you guys for watching. Math Mastermind out.